Hey guys, welcome to question FM176 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, John is a professional player. He uses a pair of roller skates to help slide into people's DMs. The value of John's roller skates is depreciated using the flat rate method of depreciation. The value of John's roller skates in dollars, Vn, after n years can be modeled by the recurrence relation shown below, and then we're given this recurrence relation. V0 equals 235. Vn plus 1 equals Vn minus 39.95. So just quickly analysing this recurrence relation here, we can see that his skates are going to have an initial value of $235, and then each year they're going to go down by $39.95. So, question A says, recursion can be used to calculate the value of John's roller skates after 2 years. Complete the calculations below by writing the appropriate numbers in the boxes provided. So we're given that V0 is equal to 235, and then we're asked to fill in some values in between. So V1 equals 235 minus something. So according to this relation up here, if we've got V1, we're trying to find V1, that's going to equal V0 minus 39.95. So of course we're going to plug in 39.95 here, and then we've also got to figure out what this value is. So we can simply plug this into a calculator, or if you're good with mental arithmetic, you can do this in your head, but I definitely recommend using the calculator. And we're going to get an answer here of $195.05. In the next line, we've got V2 is going to be equal to, got a blank space here. Now, if we're finding V2, we're going to want to insert the value for V1, after this. So we've got V2 is equal to 195.05. Once again, we're minusing 39.95 because this is flat rate depreciation, which means we're going to go down by $39.95 each year. If you plug this into your calculator, this is going to give you an answer of $155.10, as is given to you in the question. So here are our four values, and that's part A. Part B, part I, it says how many dollars is the value of John's roller skates depreciated by each year? So by how many dollars is the value of John's roller skates depreciated each year? Well, just looking at a recursion relation here, we can see that his skates will go down $39.95 each year. Part II says calculate the annual flat rate of depreciation in the value of the roller skates. Write your answer as a percentage. Now, in order to figure this out, we're going to take the amount that our skates are going down by each year, at $39.95, and find that as a percentage of the initial value of the skates, which is $235. So plugging this in to a calculator, we're going to get an answer of 0.17. Now, some of you may be able to tell immediately that this represents 17%. Others of you are going to have to take this decimal and times it by 100 in order to get your answer of 17 and see that it's 17%. Cool, that's part B. We're then given another piece of information that says the value of John's roller skates could also be depreciated using the reducing balance method of depreciation. The value of the roller skates in dollars Rn after n years can be modeled by the recurrence relation shown below. And then we're given R0 is equal to 235. So the initial value is still 235 like it was before. However, now we're given a geometric recurrence relation of Rn plus 1 equals 0.79 Rn. So the immediate difference we're going to see between these two recurrence relations is this is going down by the same, or by a consistent amount each year, so $39.95, whereas this will be going down at a certain rate. And part C does ask us at what annual percentage rate is the value of John's roller skates depreciated each year. So this 0.79 is what we're analyzing here. Now, when we multiply something by 0.79, that means that we are finding 79% of its last value in this recurrence relation. So if I'm going from this value of Rn to the next one, I'm finding 79% of this value to get to the next one. Finding 79% is the same as reducing by a certain amount. And we can figure that out by saying 100 minus 79, if you plug that into a calculator, you're going to get 21, which means that if we're finding 79% of what we had last year, we're reducing by 21%. And that's your answer for part C. So finding 79% of what we had last time means that we're reducing by 21%. All right, guys, those are all the questions. If you have any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.